what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and in this video I am installing this Vpart wig that I'm wearing on my head. This is actually a side part Vpart wig that I got from YWigs. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But like I was saying, this is a side part Vpart wig, meaning like typical Vpart wigs, the part comes like in the middle, but this one comes to the side. So you actually have to choose like which side you want your part on. And I chose my part on the right side. I think, yeah, on the right side, because it's usually where I wear my parts. So it comes like moved over to the side, and it also comes pre-layered. Now I did cut a little bit more, but it does come with like bangs and stuff pre-cut for you. So if you're not like the best with cutting, the hair is layered. The length that I'm wearing is 18 inches at the moment. So if you want to see me install this wig and you want to see like my installation process for this type of wig, keep on watching. So like I said, this hair is from YWigs. Yes, the box is upside down. Let's ignore that. But this is how the wig looks like fresh out of the box. On the inside of the wig, you can tell like the part is on the right side and the clips are lying along the part. It comes with an elastic band as well as combs. And also you can see here that the bang is pre-cut into the wig. So let's get started. So I'm starting off by parting out where my leave out is going to be for this wig. It's on the right side, so I'm just parting that. And then I'm going to go through and part some hair for my anchor braids in the front on each side. This is going to be where the combs are going to slide into on the sides of the wig, and it's going to keep the wig from shifting backwards. And then I'm going to go ahead and braid all of this down. For the rest of my hair in the back, I decided I'm just going to do 2 jumbo braids since it's going to be underneath the wig. I don't have to do like a whole bunch of flat cornrows. If you want to do that, you can. It's completely up to you. I personally just didn't feel like doing all that. And 2 big braids is good enough, and you can't see it underneath the wig. Then I'm just going to pin the ends of the braids up with bobby pins and pin it down to the back of my head. As you can see, I have my anchor braids on the sides, and then I have the 2 big braids in the back. The parting in the back is not perfect, but is good enough. Next, I'm taking a little bit of the hair from each side of my leave out at the top, and I'm creating like little anchor braids on each side. This is where the little clips along the part of the wig are going to grab into. I've done wigs like without these anchor braids in the past, and honestly, I feel like having them helps. It stops the wig from sliding at the top, and it helps it fit more comfortably in your hair. Sometimes when you like just put the clips in without the braids, it can like snag your hair and be uncomfortable. So this just helps for me. Now I'm almost ready to install this wig, but before I do, I'm just cutting out the lace. Make sure you get all of the extra lace pieces off before you put it on, just so you don't have anything poking out. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on my head. I always start by applying the clips at the top first into the anchor braids just to give myself some leverage. And then I maneuver the wig, you know, just all over my head until it fits comfortably. There's no particular order really to putting on the wig. You can do what works for you. It just helps me to start at the top first and then work my way to the back and apply the the clips onto the sides, just so the wig has something to grab onto and doesn't shift around my head. So after the wig is installed, it should look a little something like this. I have my leave out at the top, and this is what the wig looks like. Of course, you can see I have like a little bit of my hair left out around the sides and the front, but I'm about to lay down my edges, so that's gonna be fine. You just wanna make sure it fits as comfortably as possible. For my edges, I'm first going through with the black Eco Style gel just to like map out and lay down where I want my edges to lay or how I want them to lay. Then I'm going to go through with the red Edge Booster Edge Control, and that kind of just helps seal them into place so it doesn't shift. I do this because I used to relax my edges, but then my relaxer grew out and I haven't relaxed them since. And then like seeing all this stuff online about like relaxers and all this like kind of scared me, so I just stopped relaxing my edges. Not to say like I won't ever again, but I just haven't for a while, so this just helps it lay in place. Now I'm just going to blend my leave out with the wig, which is super simple. I'm just going to part my hair and then flat iron it and then brush it into place. And then I'm going to use my wand to add some wand curls to the hair to give it a little bit of volume. So now I'm just going through and taking off my headband. This is what it looks like when I'm done curling the hair. As you can see here that the hair in the front is already shorter. They already pre-cut the bang for you, but I just want to make it a little bit shorter just to have a little bit more of that more defined layered look. This is completely optional. You don't have to do that. If the way the bangs is cut is good enough for you, by all means you can leave it, but I just wanted to add a little something extra. So as you can see right here, a little bit of the wig kind of sticks out from my hairline because my hair is super thin. So I'm just going through with some scissors and cutting it off. This also is optional. It may, it depends on your hairline and how far the wig comes on you. But me personally, I just needed to cut it so it fits. And then I'm going to go through and cut this side of my hair, just cut some layers in this side. And that's it for this style. It was super easy. It took about 10-15 minutes to complete overall. Overall, I really like this wig. It's super handy for a quick on-the-go style if you want a quick side part. The hair itself is super soft and very shiny. I had no issues with shedding or tangling or anything like that. So like I said, if you're interested in this hair from YWigs, all the information will be in the description box below. But thank you all so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.